your MySQL. Even in MySQL, guys, we learned how to create a stored procedure. Now, even guys in MySQL, we learned how to create a stored procedure. Now we have to call the stored procedure. Yes, guys, we have to call the stored procedure in Java program. So if you want to call the stored procedure, guys, in Java program, then what you will do? Yeah, if you want to call the stored procedure in Java program, how you can call, guys? Yes, how you can call stored procedure in Java program? Can anyone tell me? Yes, guys, can anyone tell me how to call the stored procedure in Java program? Okay. So guys, basically we have to make use of you have to make use of what, guys? You have to make use of callable statement. Now, since the statement is callable, since the statement is callable, then what we can do, guys? We cannot create the object. Yes, we are not able to create the object, guys. Yeah. If the statement is callable, guys, we are not able to create the object. See guys, for everyone, I said from each and every class I'm telling, first you have to join to go to webinar. Yes, if required, then they'll go to meeting. But many of your Dabba friends, Dabba fellows, they will join go to meeting directly. Seriously, they are fools or what? I don't know, guys. I'm telling them from like every day I'll tell, first join go to webinar. If required, we will go for go to meeting. But 46 member, 50 members nearly, they join go to meeting directly. Just a second, guys. Okay. So fine, guys. We'll continue. Okay, we'll wait for 2 minutes, guys. Let your friends join. They are waiting in go to meeting. Every day I'm telling them, every day I'm telling starting of the class, if you want to get the attendance, you have to log in through Skill Reddit first. But these Dabba fellows, they will join directly through go to meeting. Okay, guys, we'll wait for 2 minutes. Yeah. Until that, you revise the concepts. Yes, until that, guys, you revise the concepts. guys, we'll start now. We will not wait for them. Yeah, it's up to them now. Okay. So guys, last class we discussed these things. Now we have to proceed and we have to learn how we can call the stored procedure. Yeah. Now we have to learn, guys, how we can call the stored procedure in a Java application with the help of JDBC. So guys, whatever we have discussed in last class, any doubt? Yes. Whatever guys we have discussed in last class, any doubt? If you have any doubt, guys, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll proceed. Yeah, starting itself, I gave you some time. I said you to revise. If you have any doubt, guys, let me know. Otherwise, I'll go for the next concept. In the sense, we'll proceed. Not next concept. We have to complete this first. Okay, no doubt, guys. Fine, let us proceed then. Okay, so guys, now we have to learn how we can call the stored procedure. So even we discussed in last class, like we can call with the help of callable statement, and callable statement is nothing but is an interface. So we cannot create an object. So guys, what we have to do, we have to make use of factory helper method to create implementation object. Yes. So if you want to call stored procedure, yes, if you want to call guys stored procedure, again you have to follow few steps. Yeah. If you want to call the stored procedure, guys, in Java application, you have to follow few steps. So steps to call stored procedure SP in Java application. In yeah, so stored procedure SP in Java application using JDBC. So guys, here again we have to follow few steps. Yeah, we have to follow guys few steps. So let me give. Yes. So guys, first step. Now, whenever you want to call the stored procedure, yes, guys, whenever you want to call the stored procedure from Java application, from database to Java application, so first, the stored procedure should be ready in the database. Until and unless we have not created the stored procedure, how we will call, guys? So first step, first guys, if you want to call the stored procedure from Java application using JDBC, so first thing, your stored procedure should be ready in database. Yeah, the stored procedure, guys, should be ready in database. So we can say make sure stored procedure stored procedure stored procedure is ready in database is is ready in database. So guys, first we have to create a stored procedure. Yeah, first thing guys, if you want to call, we should have a stored procedure. So first we have to create a stored procedure in. Next, once the stored procedure is created, guys, yeah, once the stored procedure is created, we have to make use of prepare statement. No, sorry, we have to make use of callable statement. Yes, once stored procedure is created, guys, we have to make use of callable statement to call the stored procedure. So we can say create a callable statement, create a callable statement, create a callable statement with create a callable statement with the procedure call. With the procedure call. Yes. So first we have to create a statement using procedure call. So what is the procedure call in the sense, guys? You have to say we have to make use of Java dot SQL dot callable statement. Yeah, we should have this interface. So Java dot SQL dot callable statement. So first we have to import it, right? So that is first we have to import it. So we will write cstmt equals to cstmt equals to con dot, and here we will write prepare call. Here we'll write, guys, prepare call. You know what is prepare call, guys? So what we have to say? We have to say con dot prepare call, and here we have to pass the stored procedure. In the sense, we have to call the stored procedure here. Yeah, we have to call the stored procedure here. So simply you will make use of double quotes. Yeah, simply will make use of double quotes. You will close the flap, the small braces, double quotes. You will close this small braces. Then you will open the flower braces. Okay. Then you will close the flower braces, guys. You will open the flower braces and you will close this flower braces. You will say here. So if you want to call the stored procedure, you have to make use of one keyword, right? So you have to say call. Yes, call procedure name. Call procedure name, and here you have to pass. Yes, call procedure name, and here you have to pass your input parameter. Yes, here you have to pass your input parameter. Input parameter. Yes, guys. So what we have to do if you want to call, if you want to make use of callable statement, so this particular syntax we have to use. What is prepare call? You know, I explained in the last class. And what is the use of placeholder? Even I explained in the last class. Yes. So like this you have to use. Now you have created the stored procedure. Now by using this particular callable statement, guys, you will call. Yes, you will call. So once you will call the stored procedure, guys, next. So here what we are using, guys, we are using a placeholder. Yes, here what we are using, guys, we are using something as placeholder. So do I need to set the value for placeholder, guys? Yeah, do I need to set or no? Yes. So after that, what we have to do, guys, we have to set the value. Yes. So we have to set the value for placeholder. So in third step, guys, what we are going to do in the sense, we will set the value. So provide value for provide value for every provide value for every in parameter. Provide value for every in parameter. Yeah, provide value for every in parameter by corresponding setters method, by using setters method. Let's say by using setters method. Yes. So guys, once it is done, we have to set the value for this placeholder using setters method. Even we have learned in the previous statement. So you can say CSTMT. Yes, guys, you can say CSTMT dot. You can make use of setter method, and you will use again XXX, depends upon the column name, data type, and all. And you will pass column index. Yes, will pass the column index, and you will pass the value. You will pass the index, you will pass the value. So guys, once you have created the callable statement, then you have to set the value for this particular placeholder. So you have to do like this. Yeah, you have to do like this, guys. Okay, once it is done, yes, once it is done, guys, we have to go for next step. Yes, now what we have to do, guys, we have to get the data. Yes, so if you are going to make use of if you have used select query in your stored procedure, we have to fetch the data. If you have used delete query, you have to delete the data, and so on. So basically what we have to do, guys, you have to register every register every out parameter with JDBC types. Out parameter. This is optional, guys. Everywhere we will not use. If required, then only we will use. So register every out parameter with JDBC types. This is optional. Yes, wherever it is required, then only we have to use. So I can say this optional, guys. Yeah. So this is the fourth step. Yes, this is nothing but you can say fourth step. Now, once it is done, guys, execute procedure. Yeah. So let's say we will execute the stored procedure. That's what execute the stored procedure or execute the procedure call. Execute the procedure call. So guys, if you want to execute, depends upon what query you are going to write inside the stored procedure. So let's say if you are going to write DQL, you can go for execute query. If you are going for DML, you will go for, yeah, you can go for this execute update or execute. That depends upon you. So that is depends upon the query, guys. You have to say, you have to make use of cstmt dot method type. Yes, dot method. Now this method can be execute method, or this method can be execute update. This method can be execute, or this method can be execute update, or this method can be execute query. This method can be, guys, execute query. So depends what type of query you want to fire. So once you have registered all your out parameter with JDBC types, then then guys we have to, yes, next, then what we have to do? We have to execute the procedure call. At last, guys, at last, what we have to do? We have to get the result. At last, guys, we have to get the result. So how we will get the result, guys? So to get the result, we'll make use of, yes. So to get the result, guys, we'll make use of your result set interface. Yeah. So to get the result, guys, we'll make use of results interface. So get the result from output parameter. So who will return the result? Obviously output parameter, guys. So get the result from output parameter using get xxx method, using get xxx method. Now we have to get the result, guys, by using output parameter, by using get xxx method. So guys, for this, for this particular yes. So guys, what you have to do, you have to call the, there was some network issue, guys, or let's say this webinar issue. So that's what. Now it's audible, right? Now it's audible, guys. Okay, fine. Then we'll proceed. If it will happen once again, then we'll go for GoToMeeting. Yes. Yes, guys. So first we have to create a stored procedure in database. It should be ready in the database. Next, we have to call by using callable statement. Now, since we are using here since we are using here placeholder, so we have to set the value. Yes. Now we have to get the output. Before getting the output, guys, we have to register every out parameter with JDBC type, which is optional, guys. Now we have It's optional, guys. Yes, in few cases it is optional. Yes, they'll see that. No need to worry. Now, after that, we have to execute the stored procedure. And once the stored procedure is executed, we have to get the result by using result set interface. Yeah, we have to get the result by using result set interface, or you can say, guys, by yes, if you are using, yeah, if you have using this particular query. If you are using DQL, then if you want to fetch the result, you have to make use of result set interface. Otherwise, if you are using DML, then no need to go for results. Yeah, you know that, guys. I hope. So this is all about the steps we have to follow, guys. These are the steps we have to follow. Now we will go for program direct. Before that, guys, I want you people to take down these points. Yeah, don't write down now. Later you can write down, guys. Just take down people's screenshot. Yeah, just guys, all of you take down people's screenshot, but later you have to write down mandate. If you will not write, that is up to you, guys. In future, you will face problem. You'll forget the concept. Yeah, so just now take down big. Later, just copy down. Okay, so we'll go for program, guys. Yeah, we'll go for program then. Let us go program. So let me open my clip. Open this SQL Yog. So guys, do one thing. Yeah. Yes, I hope my voice is breaking, guys. So do one thing. We'll go back to go to meeting, right? We'll go back to go to meeting. So join using go to meeting. Yeah. Join, guys. Go to meeting. Fast.
Be recorded. Conference will now be recorded. Muted.
Proceed. So we'll open, yes, we'll open Eclipse, and here we will write the program. So let us proceed now. So let us create a class. Next, let us say I'm going to give a class name as stored procedure. I'll select main method and then finish. Okay, so we have to follow all the steps, guys, once again. Yes, we have to follow all the steps once again. So let me increase the font little. Yeah. So we'll do it fast, guys. Basic steps. So first step, you know what is the first step, guys? Nothing but importing the package. So import java.sql.star. Yes, import java.sql.star, guys. Yes. Okay, just a second, guys. My Eclipse is a bit slow. Java.sql.star. Then we'll give semicolon. So guys, after that, we have to load the driver class. Yes, we have to load the driver class. So we will say connection. Okay. So first we have to load the driver class. So we'll say class dot for name. Yes. Okay, just wait, guys. Yeah. Class dot for name, and here we have to pass the fully qualified class name of respective driver. Yeah, here we have to pass, guys, fully qualified class name of respective driver. So once we'll pass, we will get an exception, guys. So we'll handle it now itself. Yeah, so it has been handled. Then I'll say sys out. Okay, I won't give a statement, guys. Yeah, it will be, you know the steps, right? So I won't give a statement. I'll just write com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Now, next we have to establish the connection. We'll declare a connection interface. So connection con equals to null. And here we will say, guys, con equals to driver manager dot get connection. Driver manager dot get connection. Dot get connection. And we'll pass here URL. So again, it will throw an exception. We will handle it in the same catch block. So I'll say, yeah, so add exception to existing catch clause. If you want, you can go for new, like one more try catch. That is up to you, guys. But length of code will be increased. So yeah, length of code will be increased. Just a second, guys. Yes. So I'll pass here fully qualified class name, not fully URL, guys. So /localhost 3306 user equals to root and password equals to root itself in my case. Yeah, password equals to root as well in my case. So we have completed these steps, guys. Next, guys, what we have to do? We have to create statement or platform. Yes, we have to create what, guys? Statement or platform. But this time we have to fetch the data. Yes, but this time, guys, we have to not fetch the data. We have to call the stored procedure. Yes, this time we have to call the stored procedure. So we will not go for statement interface. We will not go for prepare statement. We will go for callable statement, guys. We will not go for statement. We will not go for prepare statement. We will go for callable statement. We'll say callable statement CSTMT equals to null. Callable statement, guys, CSTMT equals to null. And we will make use of CSTMT to create statement or platform. So simply we'll say, guys, CSTMT. Yes, CSTMT equals to con dot. And guys, if you remember, we have a, yes, if you remember, guys, the factory or helper method is nothing but prepare call. Factory helper method, guys, is nothing but prepare call. And here we have to pass the query. Yes, here we have to pass the query. If you want, you can pass the query here itself. Yes, or it is up to you, guys. You can declare first or you can use it. So what I'll do, I'll declare it and then I'll use. So I'll say, guys, p query, sp query, yeah, stored procedure query. Simply I'm going to say, and I'll write the query. I'll say string sp query p query equals to, and in double quotes we have to write the query. In double quotes we will write the, yeah. So here, guys, what query we have to write? In the sense, we are not supposed to write any query. Yes, we will not write any query, guys. Now, whatever we have used here, guys, you can see we have used few things. Yeah, I explained, guys, these things. So what query you have to write? In a sense, you have to say, you have to make use of, you have to say, guys, you have to say call prepare call. You have to say, guys, double quotes, flower braces, then call is a keyword, and then we have to pass the procedure name. Call and then procedure name question mark. So same thing, guys, we will do it here also. Call procedure name question mark. Yes. So we will go back to database and we'll see what is the procedure name we have. Yeah, we'll go back to database. We'll see what is the procedure name, guys, we have. So where is my SQL Yog? I need to open. Yeah, let us open SQL Yog, guys, first. Yeah, so here you can get a table database first by JEJM21. Then we will see what is the stored procedure, guys. We'll see, guys, what is the stored procedure we have. So let us open the stored procedure. So the stored procedure nothing but get details. Stored procedure, guys, nothing but get details. But study, if you remember, guys, we have modified that stored procedure. Instead of this select, we have used delete, guys. So we will change it once. Yeah, we will change it once, guys. So can anyone tell me what I need to write? Select star from your database name JEJM21.emp. Is it correct, guys? Is it correct? I want to fetch the data. Yeah, I want to create a stored procedure to fetch the data. So is this query, whatever I have used, is it correct or wrong? Yeah, correct. So fine, guys, what I'll do, again, I'll just select this and I'll execute. Yeah, so you can see, guys, one stored procedure will be created. So now if I will click on if I'll right click and if I'll say alter stored procedure, yeah, alter stored procedure guys, this time you will get select query. Yes, so if you want to call the stored procedure guys inside this database, yeah, inside this database guys, then what you have to do here, you have to say query. Yeah, here guys, you have to say query, not query, call. Yeah, you have to say guys call, and then stored procedure name is get details. Yeah, call get details, and here we have to pass what value, input parameter value. So I'll pass here 3. If I pass here 3, then I'll get the result of third employee. Yeah, the employee number whose the employee whose employee number is 3 will get it. Now if I'll pass it guys some other thing, let's say I'll pass here 2, then I'll get the respective details of employee. You can see here. So now what we have to do guys, we have to call this stored procedure. We have to call this stored procedure guys. So we'll go back to Eclipse. So here we have to write. So what is the syntax guys we have to follow? So same syntax we have to follow. Yes, same syntax we are going to follow whatever I gave you. So flower braces call procedure name and then input parameter. Fine, let us go back and do it. So flower braces open close, then call. We have to specify what guys procedure name. What is the procedure name we have used? So procedure name is nothing but get details. So call get details, and here we have to pass input parameter. Yes. So in case of this stored procedure, how many input parameter guys we have declared? Yes, in case of this get details stored procedure, how many parameters we have declared? 1 or 2 guys or 3? Yes, only 1. So we have to make use of one placeholder. Yes, we have to make use of one placeholder. So fine, let us go back. So guys, inside this, I'll make use of one placeholder. So basically this placeholder, yeah, it will take the value. Basically this placeholder helps user to set the value for input parameter. Yes, but guys, this get details is present in some database, right? This get details is present in some database. So even we have to specify the database name. So JEJM21. So you have to say guys, call database name dot stored procedure name, and then you have to pass the input parameter. If you have 5 input parameter, you have to use 5 placeholder. If you have 1 input parameter, 1 place. Yes. So we have completed guys up to the second step. Yes, you can see guys here we have completed up to second step. So my second step is done. My second step is done guys. First is done, we have created a stored procedure in database. Second is done, we have, in the sense we have created a callable statement, and with the help of callable statement we are calling. Now we have to go for next step guys, that is third step. So here we have to set the value for input parameter. Yes, so guys here we have to set the value for input parameter. So we'll go back and we will set the value. So guys, if you want to set the value, we have to make use of set xx method. So I'll say cstempty dot set. And if you remember guys, currently we are fetching the data based on ID. Yes, currently guys, we are fetching the data based on ID, right? Employee number or employee ID. So this employee number, employee ID is of. Yes, so we have to use here set cstmt dot set int, and here we have to pass the placeholder parameter or index and then respective thing. Yes, so index will be 1 obviously, and here we have to pass some value. Yes, here guys we have to pass some value. If you want, you can pass the value directly here. Yes, you can pass the value guys directly here, but I want to take the value at runtime from the user. So I'll make use of scanner class guys. Directly you can pass here the employee number, but I'll go for scanner class so that I can pass in runtime guys. So I'll say scanner sc equals to new scanner. Let us wait for a few seconds. new scanner, and then we have to say system.in. And then we have to ask, yeah, sys out, let's say, enter the employee number whose record you want to fetch. Enter the employee number whose record you want to fetch. Now we have to assign some variable to take the input. So I'll say int employee number, or you can say EID, whatever you want, you can give EID equals to, yes guys, you can say EID equals to sc.next int. sc.next int, guys. Yeah, and next we have to pass this EID in this particular. Yes, instead of passing the value, we'll pass here EID. Yes, so guys, now we have completed up to which step, guys? We have setted the value for this input parameter. So basically we have completed this fourth step, not fourth, guys, third step. Yes, here you can see we have completed this third step now. Yeah, so this is done, first one is done, second one is done, third one is done. Coming about fourth one, guys, it is optional. When to use, I'll tell you. Yeah, now we'll go for next. Now, guys, we'll go for next one. We will go for, yeah, execute the procedure call. So, guys, we have to go for executing the procedure call. So I'll say cstmt dot. So currently, what type of query, guys, I'm going to execute? Yeah, indirectly, guys, inside your stored procedure, what type of query we have used? Yes, indirectly, guys, inside your stored procedure, what type of query we have used? DQL query. Yes, so for DQL query, guys, always it is a good practice to make use of execute query method. Yes, always, guys, it is a good practice to make use of execute query method. So we will say cstmt dot execute. Yeah, we'll say execute query. So guys, can anyone tell me, in case of callable statement, yes, in case of callable statement, when query will be compiled? Yes, in case of callable statement, when query will be compiled, guys? At runtime or at compilation time? Yes, it will be compiled at runtime or compilation time, guys. Yes, at the compilation time itself. Same as of your prepared statement, because we are passing the query where, guys? In factory or helper method. Yes, we are passing the query where, guys? In factory or helper method. So query will be compiled. This particular line of code will be compiled at compilation time itself. So at runtime, just we are executing. So guys, now we have executed. Yeah, now guys, we have executed the stored procedure. Now guys, we have executed the stored procedure. So we have completed up to fifth step. Yes, we have completed, guys, up to fifth step. Next, what we have to do, guys, we have to get the result. Yes, we have to fetch the result, guys. We have to get the result, or we have to fetch the result. So guys, how we can fetch the result? Can anyone tell me? Yes, how we can fetch the result, guys? How we can fetch the result? Only by using get xxx method. Yes, we can fetch the record using get xxx method, guys. Or sometimes we have to use. Yes, we have to make use of one interface, guys. Yes, with the help of get xxx method, just we can print it. Just we can print the record. But first you have to point to cursor or buffer memory. You have to check whether the record is present or not. This complete Ramayana Mahabharata you have to do, right? Directly you can't go for fight like that fight thing, right? Before that you should have everything. Yes, here also guys. So first we should have result set interface. With the help of that we will point to cursor or buffer memory. So guys, what is the output of, yeah, so what is the return type of execute query method? Yes, what is the return type of execute query method, guys? Can anyone tell me? What is the what is the return type of execute query method? Dappa fellows, all of you check your notebook now. All of you are telling integer. Yes, is it? That is the reason, guys. If you practice every day, then it's very easy. Yeah, the return type will be result set interface. Yeah, return type will be result set interface. So we will declare, guys, result set interface somewhere. So result set rs equals to null. Result set rs equals to null. Now, since execute query method, guys, will return result set, and so here we will pass rs. Here, guys, will pass here. So mute yourself. Yes. So here, guys, will pass here rs. So next, now the data will be stored to your cursor or buffer memory. Yes, basically now result set we are using, so it will fetch the data from cursor buffer memory. Now we have to check. Yes, now, so guys, yeah. So by default, whether the result set will point to cursor or buffer memory. Yes, guys, by default, the result set interface will point to cursor buffer memory. Yes or no, guys? No. So what do we have to do? If you want that result set interface should point to cursor buffer memory, so either you have to go for next method or absolute method. So I'll say rs dot next. Yes, if we have record, then we will fetch the record. So I'll say rs dot get. Now we will make use of get x method, guys. So we'll say get integer and we'll pass here get integer will pass here column 1. Yes, similarly rs dot get string. Okay, get string itself, guys. Let me check. Yeah, so yeah, string itself. So get string column number is 2. You can pass the column name as well. It is up to you, guys. Again, rs dot get salary. Get not salary, get double. Yes, get double. And here we have to pass the column name as 3. If you want, you can pass the column name as well. So I'll store in some variable. So I'll say int employee number equals to this. We'll get it from database now. Similarly, we'll say, guys, string name equals to this. And next we will say, guys, double salary equals to, we will assign to some variable equals to. Yeah. Now, if you want, you can print. Now you can print the data. So to print the data, guys, it's nothing great. Just you will say this out. Lohit GP, mute yourself. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the meeting. Yes. So the name of employee, no, not name, guys. The employee number is, and we will print the employee number. We'll say employee number. Yes, if you want, you can go for next SOP statement or you can do it itself, guys. It is up to you now. Yes. So employee number is, next we will say, guys, the name of employee, is, yes, and we'll print the employee name. We will say plus name, plus, again, you can go for, guys, next line or you can do it itself. It is up to you again. So double quotes, Yes, and I'll say here, okay, and I'll say here, guys, the salary of employee is the salary of employee is, yeah, first the employee number is the employee number of employees of employee is, similarly the name of employee is, and so on. So concatenation, yeah, yes, and then we will at last will print the salary. So we'll say, guys, plus salary. We'll say, guys, plus salary. Now, if the salary is going to match, not salary, guys, if employee number is going to match, we will get the data. Otherwise, we will say this out, no record, no record, no record. If you want to print in the red line, guys, just change the out method to ERR. Yes, even if you want to change this also, just change it to ERR. It is up to you, guys. Now it's up to you now. So let me give a space, guys. Okay, so still Rohit is disturbing, right? Lohit, sorry, Lohit. Just a second, guys. Yeah. Few person, no, guys, they will not listen at all. Yes, few person, whatever. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm searching his name. Don't worry. Few person. Where is this Apollo? Yes, here's yes. Fine, guys. So it's done, guys. So guys, any doubt up to here? Yes. Any doubt, guys, up to here? Any doubt, guys? We have followed all the steps. Is it clear for everyone, guys? Yes. So if you are going to use DQL, guys, if you have used DML, then no need to make use of result set. Directly you can fetch the data by using getXXX method. So these things like delete, update, and insert, you have to try by yourself. So fine, guys, let us execute this program. Let us execute this program, guys. Okay, so not a form, not a big deal. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, so I'm getting an exception. Okay, com.mysql.jdbc.driver. So I don't have jar file. I don't have jar file, guys. Let me check. It's there, I hope. Okay, spelling mistake, right? MySQL. MySQL. Spelling mistake, guys. Yeah, spelling mistake, yes. So now, guys, if you want, you can close the costly resource as well. Yeah, better close the costly resource also. So make use of if block and say con not equal to null. Yeah, not equal to null, and cst empty not equal to null. Similarly, and rs not equal to null. Then we will close each and everything. Yes, we'll close, guys, each and everything. We will say con dot close. Now it will throw you an exception, so we'll handle by using try and catch. Yes, we'll handle, guys, by using try and catch, and we will say here cstmt dot close. And one more thing, guys, rs dot close. Rs dot close, and we will give a statement sys out all the costly resources, all the costly resources are closed. All the costly resources are closed, guys. I will give the statement. Now, even we have to close the scanner class, guys. Yeah, even we have to close the scanner class. So you can close somewhere in the cat try block itself. So sc dot close. Yeah, now even we have closed all the costly. Now we can execute. So let us execute this program. Let us wait, guys. Yeah, so enter the employee number whose record you want to fetch. I want to fetch like the record of employee number 2. So 2. You can say, guys, you can see here the employee number is 2, the name of employee is Mr. Uday, and the salary is 100. Similarly, you can fetch, guys, any employee number. Yes, you can say 1 as well. No record found. Yes, for the first one employee, we don't have any record. So let us pass here something 3. Yes, so the employee number is 3. The name of employee is Mr. Rahul. The salary is 60,000. So like this, guys, you can implement your stored procedure in your program. So guys, I hope it's clear. Yeah. So all of you execute this program. Yes, guys, all of you execute this program. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in chat box. Yeah. All of you execute this program. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Yeah. So do it fast, guys. Yes, do it fast. Up, nothing is there. Yeah, just we have some import statement. Yes, guys. So just execute it fast. Once you are done, guys, ping me in chat box. If you have any doubt as well, you can ping. Yes, Hafiz, you can share the screen.
Sir, you're not getting, sir,
Okay,
here.
the stored procedure is not been created. Yeah.
Sir,
So
if I
open
create
to
here, sir,
database and stored procedure. Your stored procedure has not been created at all. So
Sir, I
first create a
created,
stored
sir.
procedure. Yes, do it. Yes, complete the code.
Sir, but I'm not showing here, sir. Not visible.
Just define input parameter and query. Why you are passing inside the data type? Yes, change it to size. Yeah. Give 10 size. Don't give one size. Yeah, give 10 at least or 5. Yeah. Now select this and execute. No, one more run button is there, right hand side. Use that. Yeah, that you can use. You can see a stored procedure has been created. Get details. Now call the get details. Yeah. Go to query and pass some value. Again, select it and execute. Okay, there is no employee by name 1. Check in the table. Yeah, there is no employee. So change it to 12. You pass 12 or 121.
Yeah,
Yes,
got it.
now
Sir.
you are getting same. Now call stored procedure in your program. Okay, so number of parameter go up. You have to specify 2 or what? Query. Open the query once. Okay. No, don't go. Don't not there. Not there. In Eclipse itself. Where is your set xxx method? Okay, cst empty set integer. Okay, just a second. Prepare call 1EID. Okay, now save the program and execute once again. Okay, just a second, units now. Okay, so there is a mistake in your stored procedure, right?
Prepaid call, sir. Prepaid call.
Yes.
Sir, in database, sir.
So make use of the braces properly. Yeah, the query thing, there's the query thing.
Sir.
Keep everything in the small braces. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
That's what, there's a mistake. Keep everything in the braces properly.
Sir, at line number 18, sir. There. That should be in without double quotes.
Okay. See, first of all, you have declared a query. Don't pass in double quotes. Inside the prepare call, you have passed the query in double quotes. Don't use that. Don't use quotes. Yeah, remove the quotes. Now pass. Yes, execute it. Because it is a variable, right? It is not a string.
Yes, sir.
Now pass anything, pass 12 or whatever you want. Enter. Okay, still you are getting an error. Okay, so there is some call. Yes, guys, all of you see what is the error? Okay, close the flower braces now. Yeah, close the flower braces inside the double quotes. String subquery. Yeah, close the flower braces. Okay, John, you can share the screen. Don't worry. Yeah, now execute it once. Yes, that's what there was a mistake. So, guys, done all of you. Johnny, at the last, you can share the screen. I'll help you out. Yeah, we'll go for the concept. Okay, so guys, take down few assignment you have to complete and come. Yes. So create a stored procedure to delete a record, delete a record, create a stored procedure to delete a record and call SP, call a stored procedure in Java application or in Java program. Java program. So guys, you have to create a stored procedure to delete a record and call that stored procedure in Java program. Yes. Just a second. Record and call it in Java program. Yeah, Java application or Java program. So you have to create stored procedure and even you have to call to perform the operation. Similarly, guys, you can go for update. So create a stored procedure to update a record and call it in Java application. One more, guys. So with stored procedure, guys, you should know all the CORD operations. Yeah. Similarly, create a stored procedure to insert a record, and call it in Java application. So guys, take down these things as assignment, do and come. Yes, take down these things and assignment, do and come, guys. Okay, don't worry, I'll open the Eclipse, guys. Just a second. Yeah, for this also, guys, take down pre-call screenshot, do and come. Complete this. Try how to delete, update, and insert. Yes, I hope guys done. So if you have not completed the program, guys, few of you, just you can take a screenshot, or if you are able to complete in 1 minute, just do it. After else part, nothing is there. Yes, just we have to close the costly resource. Yes, guys, do it fast. I'll give 1 more minute, then we will go for next topic. So guys, if you have any doubt, please ask. Yeah, otherwise I'll go for next topic, guys. Okay. So guys, I hope done. Yeah, I hope all of you have completed. So few of you asked to open SQL Yoga. Yeah. Pooja, you can see the SQL Yoga. See whatever doubt you have, just look it once. If you have doubt, let me know. Yeah, have a look. Okay. So fine guys, this is all about your stored procedure. I hope guys, all of you got the concept very neatly. Yes, even you can fire multiple select query inside a stored procedure. You can use multiple delete query. For that, you have to define multiple input and output parameters. Yes, based on input and output parameter, guys, let's say inside a stored procedure, you have declared two select query. You can do it, but based on input and output parameter, you can set the value and you can fetch the value. So even if you want, you can just try it once. If you have doubt, I'll demonstrate you in next class. Yes, even guys, inside single stored procedure, you can fire select query and you can fire delete query also. So try with all these, yeah, combination by yourself. Sit and do it, guys. Yeah, everything cannot be done, you know that. Yes. So try these things like multiple select query in a same stored procedure, select query, delete query, each and everything, guys. Just you try. Yeah. And if you have doubt, I'll help you out in tomorrow's class. Yes. So just execute, guys. Practice the things properly. Without practice, you will not get it the things in the right way. Yeah. So guys, like okay, I'll send you once it is done. I'll send you the JDBC notes. Don't worry. Yeah, once it is done, guys, I'll share the JDBC notes as well. Don't worry. First, whatever I'm doing, just do it first. Yeah. And even guys, you will have your mock. Remember that. Yeah. Even you will have your mock soon. Yes. So prepare for mock also. Okay. So what is let's next topic, guys? Can anyone tell me what is next topic? Transactions, right? So guys, in SQL, we have learned TCL, transaction control language, right? So in SQL, guys, we have learned what? Transaction control language. So similarly, here also, guys, in database also we have to, yes, in database also, guys, what we have to do, we have to follow some transaction. Yes, we have to manage some transaction basically in database, even we have to manage some transaction. So we will see how to manage the transaction or what is transaction management in JDBC now. Yes. So guys, before that, in case of SQL, guys, we have learned TCL, transaction control language. Yeah. So what are the statements we have in TCL, guys? Yeah. What are the statements we have in TCL? Yes. So we have something as commit, rollback, and save point. So in JDBC program also, guys, we will see all these statements. Yes, so in JDBC program also, guys, we will see all these statements. So let us proceed. Let us proceed, guys, with the concept. Yes. So guys, all of you take down subheading as transaction management in JDBC. Yes, all of you guys take down subheading as transaction management in JDBC. Just a second. Okay, so forget what is transaction management in JDBC, that I'll explain. What is transaction, guys? What is the meaning of transaction? Yes, guys, what is the meaning of transaction, guys? Transferring the data, okay? Yes. So basically, guys, transaction, I can say transaction is nothing but giving and taking, sending and receiving. Yes. Transaction is nothing but, guys, giving or taking or sending or receiving. Yes. So, guys, in case of SQL, this TCL, yes, guys, in case of SQL, guys, TCL is applicable for what type of query language? Yes, in case of SQL, guys, in case of TCL, guys, like in case of SQL, this TCL is used for what type of query language? Okay. Yes. So basically, guys, it is applicable for all your DML operations. Yes, it is applicable, guys. It is applicable for all your DML operations. So we'll talk this transaction management later. Before that, guys, before that, we have to discuss what is transaction. We have to discuss, guys, what is transaction. Yes. So simply, guys, we can say transaction is nothing but, yeah, exchange of data, exchange of something, I can say exchange. Yes. Or you can say, guys, giving or taking. Yes, I'm not talking with respect to your JDBC. Simply, guys, yeah, normal term. I can say, guys, giving and taking, or better, guys, instead of that, we can say sending or receiving. Yes, exchange, or you can say, guys, sending and receiving. Sending and receiving, guys. So let's say, guys, we have again, yes, let's say, guys, here we have two members. Yeah, again, guys, we have two members here. So now, guys, what is dinga dingy? Yes, what is dinga dingy, guys? State. Yeah, it is not state, it is a road. Yes, dinga is a you can say city in the Pakistan. Yes, dinga is a city in Pakistan, guys, whereas dinga dingy is a road. Yes, so don't consider any boy or girl. Yeah. So if you'll go to Google, guys, if you'll type dinga in Pakistan, dinga place in Pakistan, you will get, guys. So basically, dinga is a place. Yeah. So dinga is a place in Pakistan. And dinga dingy is what, guys? Dinga dingy is nothing but it is a road. Yes. So you can see dinga is nothing but is a part of Pakistan, whatever. You can just Google it. Yeah. So it is a place. Dinga place in Pakistan. Just you Google it, you will get, guys. Yes. So that's what you can do these things. And you can see in the map, guys. Yeah. Dinga city in Pakistan. So these are nothing but some place, guys. Yeah, forget it. So from here onwards, we will not use dinga dingy, right? We will use some different name. So we will use, guys, Shaktiman and Gangadhar. Yes, Shaktiman or and let's say Gita. Shaktiman and Gita. Gita Vishwas, right? How many of you used to like Shaktiman, guys? How many of you used to like Shaktiman in childhood? Yes, none of you? Okay, that's good. So I guess all of you guys, all of us, right? Yes. Gangadhar and Shaktiman. Yeah. So fine. Let us say, guys, we have two person, Shaktiman and Geeta. So now Geeta wants money from Shaktiman. Yes. Now, guys, Geeta wants money from Shaktiman. So what Shaktiman will do? Shaktiman will send the money. Yes. So, guys, what Shaktiman will do? Basically, Shaktiman will send the money. Yeah. So this Shaktiman sended the money to Geeta. Yes. So money got debited. Yeah, from the Shaktiman account, money got debited. But that money was not received by Geeta. In the sense, from Shaktiman account, money got debited. Yeah, money got debited. But that money was not credited to Geeta account. Yeah, that money got debited from Shaktiman account, but money was not like Geeta didn't receive the money, or money was not credited to Geeta account. So guys, okay, so if the money, can I say guys, this debit is nothing but sending, and credit is nothing but receiving, guys. Credit is nothing but receiving, guys. So here, how many operations we are performing, guys? Here, how many operations we are performing? Two operations, guys. Yes, basically here automatically two operations will be there. That is sending and receiving. Sending and receiving. Now let's say if sending was successful. Yes, let's say guys, now the sending was successful, but receiving was not successful. Yes, the sending was successful, but receiving money. In the sense, money got debited from Shaktiman account, but Geeta didn't receive the amount. So can I say this transaction is complete? Can I say, guys, this transaction is completed? Yes or no, guys? So if either of operation, yes, if either of operation fails to execute, yeah, in transaction, guys, if either of operation fails to execute, can I say my transaction is complete? No, we can't say. So this is one scenario. This is one scenario, guys. You can take one more scenario here. Let's say you are hungry. Yeah, you are hungry, guys. So you will go to, or let's say this is lockdown time. So you are hungry. So what you will do? You will make use of Zomato. Yeah, you will make use of Zomato to order the food. So first, what you will do? You will check whether these Zomato people will deliver the food in your area or not. So first, guys, what you will do? You will check whether this Zomato people will deliver the food in your area or not. After that, you will check the like delivery thing. That's it. Check the delivery point or something. After that, you will select the food. You will select the food. Yeah, whatever food you want, you will select. After selecting the food, guys, you will make the payment. You will make the payment. After making payment, guys, after half an hour, 1 hour, you will get the food. You will get the yeah, you will get the food. So now, guys, let us assume, yeah, now we have checked. Now, guys, we have checked the food will be delivered. Yes, we can get the food on our address. So we checked it. After that, we have selected the food. Yeah, so first we checked, then we have selected, then we made the payment. Yes, guys, then we made the payment. After making payment, we were waiting for 4 hours. Yeah, we were waiting for 4 hours, but we didn't get our food. Yes, after making the payment, guys, we waited for 4 hours, but you didn't get the food. So can I say this operation is successful? Yes. Can I say, guys, this operation is successful? No, correct. Because we checked the delivery, we selected the food, we made the payment, but still we didn't get our food. Yeah, still, guys, we didn't get our food. So we can say, guys, again, this transaction, or we can say this transaction is unsuccessful. Again, guys, this complete transaction is unsuccessful. So these type of transaction, guys, we have to manage. These type of transaction, guys, we have to manage in our database. Yes, these type of transaction, guys, we have to manage in database with the help of JDBC. So what is transaction? Normally you can say, guys, sending and receiving is nothing but transaction, or exchange of data is nothing but transaction. But technically, if you want to define what is transaction, guys, yeah, technically, if you want to define what is transaction, okay, before that, guys, yeah, before that, what can be disadvantage of, let's say you have ordered, yeah, so all these operations, these three operations are done, but this operation was unsuccessful. So guys, if we are not going to manage the transaction in database, we will face some issue, we will face some problem, guys. Yeah, so in this case we didn't get food, so we felt bad, right? We felt bad. So basically the transaction is incomplete. Now similarly, if we'll talk about the database, guys, if the transaction is unsuccessful, then what type of problem we can face? Yes, what type of problem, guys, we can face? Yes, can anyone tell me? If we will not manage the transaction in database with the help of JDBC, then what type of problem we can face, guys? Okay, what type of problem, guys? Okay, the data will be removed. Okay, so guys, basically we will face data inconsistency problem. We are going to face, guys, data inconsistency problem. Yes, so if we are not able to manage the transaction in database, you will face data inconsistency problem. Now you will ask, how we will face data inconsistencies are? So let's say, guys, let's say now in this case, in the case of sending and receiving the money, we have not manage the transaction. Yes, in case of the sending and receiving the money, guys, we have not managed the transaction. So since the money, guys, has been, yeah, since this Shaktiman sended the money, since, guys, Shaktiman sended the money to Geeta, money got debited, so that debited amount will reflect in, that debited amount, guys, will reflect in Shaktiman account. Yes, that debited amount, guys, it will reflect in Shaktiman account. Yes or no, guys? That transaction, that debited amount will reflect in Shaktiman account. But this received amount is not reflecting in Geeta account. Yes, this received amount is not reflecting in Geeta account. So in future, we can face the problem, guys. Now you can think where my money went. Now Shaktiman think where his money went. So in future, guys, if you are not going to manage these type of transactions, you will face the problem, and you will not get the current bills. Yeah, if you want, like in this case, you will not get the current details of transaction. So guys, what we have to do whenever we are going to perform any task, so we have to manage the transaction. We have to manage the transaction. So how we can manage the transaction, in the sense, on the basis of, yeah, with the help of, not on the basis of, with the help of commit, rollback, and save point. We can manage the transaction with the help of three statement, that is commit, rollback, and save point. So we will see it. No need to worry, guys. So just one example, guys, I gave, that is sending and receiving the money. Yeah, sending and receiving the money. So sending and receiving the money is nothing but it is a transaction. It is a transaction. So we discussed that. Now, guys, yeah. So if we will not manage the transaction, then we will face data inconsistency problem. So that's what, let me give that point. If, okay, let me change the color, guys. If transaction, I'll give TX, if transaction is not managed in database, how, guys, we will see, no need to worry, we'll see each and everything practically, guys. In transaction management, okay, if TX, yeah, if transaction is not managed in database, then it leads to data inconsistency problem. It leads to data inconsistency problem. Yeah, then it leads to data inconsistency problem. So if we are not going to manage the transaction, so in future, guys, we can face what? In future, we can face data inconsistency problem. We can face, guys, data inconsistency problem. So to overcome that, we have to manage the transaction. So, guys, can I say I'm going to consider, let's say, guys, I'll consider the sending and receiving money as a transaction. Let's say, guys, the sending and receiving money I'm going to consider as a transaction. Yes, the sending and receiving money, guys, it is nothing but transaction. Yeah, let's say, guys, this is nothing but a transaction. Again, you can take whatever example you want, guys. Yeah, so the sending and receiving money, guys, for time being, I'm going to consider as a transaction. So if I combine sending plus receiving, yeah, so sending plus receiving, it is nothing but transaction. So individually, what is sending, guys, and what is receiving? Yeah, if I'll combine sending plus receiving, I can consider it is nothing but it is a transaction. It is a complete transaction. Individually, if you want to say what is sending and what is receiving, guys? Yeah, what is sending and what is receiving? Give and take policy, okay. So, guys, if I'm combining sending and receiving, I'm telling as a transaction. So can I say sending is nothing but operation 1? Sending is nothing but operation 1, and this receiving is nothing but operation 2. Yes, can I say, guys, sending is nothing but operation 1 and receiving is nothing but operation 2. And if I'll combine these two, I can say it is a transaction. It is a single transaction. Yes or no, guys? Can I say sending is operation 1 and receiving is operation 2? And sending plus receiving is nothing but it is a complete transaction. Yes, it's nothing but, guys, complete transaction. So now this is normally, guys. Yes, just we have understand with the help of example what is transaction. Now let us come back. Let us come back to your JDBC transaction, guys. Let us come back to JDBC transaction. So in case of JDBC transaction, if you want to define, yes, if you want to define what is JDBC transaction, guys, then you can say, yes, then, guys, you can say it is nothing but it is a process. Yeah, this is nothing but, guys, it is a process where we will combine all the related operations. Yes, so this sending and receiving is nothing but, guys, related operation. So if you will, yeah, so if you want to talk your JDBC transaction, guys, you can say it is nothing but it is a process. It is nothing but, guys, it is a, just a second. Yes, so what is a transaction management in JDBC? In the sense, it is a process. It is a process of combining. It is a process of combining all the related operation. Yes, it is a process of combining all the related operation into a single entity. Yes, It is a process of combining all the related operation into a single entity and executing on the rule or executing on the principle executing on the principle or rule either executing on the principle or rule. One second, guys. Rule either all or none. Yes. So basically, guys, what we will do in case of transaction, we will combine all the related operations. Yes, and it will be executed. Yes, we will combine all the related operations and it will be executed on the principle of either all or none. Yes, it will be executed, guys, on the principle either all or none. So that's what it is rule. Yeah, either all or none is called transaction management. Is called transaction management. Yes, guys. So in simple guys, what is transaction in case of JDBC? In the sense, it is nothing but it is a process. Yes, it is a process where it is a process, guys. We will combine the related work, yeah, related operation into a single entity, and all these operations will be executed on the principle either all or none. Either all or none. So, guys, here the same example you can take here, guys. Let's say the sending, yeah, the sending and receiving, sending and receiving this amount, sending or receiving of amount. Let us see, guys, sending or receiving of amount is nothing but it is a single transaction. It is nothing but, guys, it is a transaction. Now, I'm going to consider sending and receiving is a transaction. So in this transaction, guys, we will perform here two operations. So first operation will be sending and second operation will be receiving. Sending and receiving. Now, guys, can I say it is a process? Yes, transaction is nothing but a process where all the related operations are grouped. Yeah, where all the related operations are combined or grouped. So, guys, sending a money, can I say it is a process? Yes, sending a money is nothing but it is a process, guys. And here, how many operations we are combining? Yes, sending a money, or let's say, yeah. So here we have two operations. If both the operation is successful, I will say transaction is success. If both the operation is successful, guys, I'll say transaction is completed. Yeah, transaction is completed. Now let's say first sending is done. Yeah, guys. Now let's say sending of amount is done, but receiving is not done. Yeah, sending is done, guys, but receiving is not done. So can I say this transaction is completed? Yes. Can I say, guys, this transaction is completed? Yes. No, we can't say, guys, this transaction is completed. So this transaction is incomplete. So that's what this sending amount is nothing but sending and receiving amount is nothing but it is a transaction. And in this transaction, we have combined two related operations. So operation one is sending, operation two is receiving. So if both the operation is successful, I can say the transaction is completed. If either of operation fails to execute, we will say operation is unsuccessful. So guys, whatever point I gave, just you can read it. It is a process. Yes, it is a process of combining all the related work into a single entity. So sending and receiving, guys, it is a single entity which will be executed on the principle either all or none. So guys, if all the operation is successful, then I can say transaction is successful. If none of the operation, let's say both operation is unsuccessful. Both operation guys, it is unsuccessful. In that case also we can say transaction is completed. So guys, in case of transaction, either both the operation should be completed or none of the operation. Yes, either both operation guys or none of the operation. If either of operation fails to execute, in that case we will say transaction is incomplete. Yes, transaction is incomplete. Now let me take us one more example guys, then we will stop, don't worry. Yeah, 2 more minutes guys, then we will stop. So let's say we will take one more example, yeah, so that you will get a clear picture guys. You will get a clear picture. Now let's say you want to see a movie. Yes, you want to book a ticket. Book a movie ticket. You want to book a movie ticket guys. So can I say it is nothing but a transaction? You want to book a movie ticket. So guys, for time being, can I say it is nothing but it is a transaction? Yes or no guys? Yes. Now, if you want to book a movie ticket, what and all you have to do? First, what you will do guys? Yes, first what you will do? If you want to book a movie ticket guys, first what you will do? Yes, first you will see the seat. You will check the available seat. Yes, you will check the available seat. After that, you will select the seat. You will select the seat, guys. After that, you will make the payment. Yeah, you are going to make the payment. After making the payment, guys, you will receive the ticket. Yes, after that, guys, you will receive the ticket. So, can I say, guys, this is my operation 1. This is nothing but, guys, can I say this is nothing but my operation 1? This is my operation 2, operation 3, operation 4. So can I say, guys, these all are nothing but, these all are the related operation, guys. These all are nothing but related operation, which belongs to single thing, that booking a movie ticket. Yes, this is nothing but, guys, related operation, which belongs to a single process, that is booking a movie ticket. Yes. Now, this operation should be executed on the principle either all or none. So guys, let's say let us assume you check the seat. Seat was available. You selected the seat. Yes, you got some seats are available. You have selected. You made the payment. Yes, you made the payment. Yes, you made the payment, guys, but you didn't receive the ticket. Yes, but you didn't receive the ticket. So can I say this transaction is completed? Can I say, guys, this transaction is completed? Yes or no? Yes, this transaction is not completed. Incomplete transaction. Now let's say you checked. Yeah. Now let's say, guys, you checked the seat. Seat was there. You selected the seat. You made the payment. You got the ticket. So now can I say this transaction is completed? Yes. Now can I say, guys, transaction is completed? So completed transaction. Completed deals. Yes. So that's what, guys, this transaction principle will work based on either all or none. Yes. So basically, in single word, if you want to say, it is nothing but it is a process. Yeah. Yes, it is nothing but, guys, it's a process where we will combine all the related operation into single entity, and all these related operations will be executed based on one principle, that is either all or none. Yes, if all the operations are successful, I'll say transaction is completed. If none of the operation is successful, I'll say transaction is completed. Either all or none. Now let's say few of the operation is successful and few of them is unsuccessful. In that case, the transaction is not completed, guys. Yeah. So why to manage this transaction? In the sense, to, yes, we have to manage the transaction so that we should not face data inconsistency problem. So guys, this is all about the brief introduction of transaction management in JDBC. Yes, this is the brief introduction, guys, of transaction management in JDBC. So I hope, guys, up to here, whatever I explained, it's clear, guys. It's nothing but one example I gave and one definition. Yeah, we will see in next class how to manage this transaction. Yes, we'll see, guys, in next class how we can manage the transaction and what is the procedure, what is the process we have to follow. Yes. So guys, any doubt up to here? Yeah, whatever point I try to explain, is it clear? Yeah, if it is clear, guys, please take down quick or screenshot. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in chat box. So guys, today we'll stop here itself. Don't worry, we will not proceed. Yeah. So tomorrow is the last day of your JDBC. Tomorrow we will complete this program and few more theory concepts are there. So tomorrow we'll complete the JDBC. So from Monday, we'll start with servlets. So tomorrow we'll complete the JDBC and I'll give you important question, whatever they'll ask in interview, guys. Yeah. So if there is no doubt, take down screenshot or pic. We will stop, guys. Yes. Let me complete, Kishore. At last, I'll give you. Yeah. But better you maintain one notes. Yeah. I will give you one soft copy, guys, of JDBC. Don't worry. But better you maintain one. Yes, I hope, guys, it's clear for everyone. So just go through, write down each and everything neatly in your notebook. Yeah, if you'll maintain your notes, guys, that will be very helpful. Don't lie dependent on some other notes. Yeah, so that's all, guys. So we'll stop here. Yeah, that's all for today. We'll stop here. We'll continue in tomorrow's class. Yes. Yes, Johnny, you can share the screen. Just a second.